Welcome to the channel. My name is Claudia. If it's your first time here, welcome to a non-royal. Welcome to a non-royal. In today's video, I've got for you an unboxing by the brand AllyLikes. It's affordable. I believe it's from China, but I DM'd them and told me they came from Spain. But upon receiving the items, I'm sure this maybe like a drop shipping type of company, but nevertheless I'm gonna pretend I'm doing unboxing, but already had a sneak peek, and I was very curious to see what I picked up from them. So without delaying too much, let's show you guys. This is them. I don't know if it's the right AllyLikes, which I thought it was quite sort of a funny name or funny brand. Yeah. So first of all, I think I picked up 4 items, but only 2 came. I got my money back, which is fantastic because I really don't trust these companies like that on Instagram and stuff, for but let's have a look. So I am hiding my address. Basically comes in these mellows with your address. The first thing I noticed was the packaging came like these, and then it came these, and I saw loads of Chinese writing in it, like Chinese words. And I was like, okay, so that's not a Spanish company, because there's nothing in Spanish here, so I believe it's like a drop shipping. And yeah, so first of all, should I leave this for last? No, let me show you this first. I got these yellow, guys, it's a 2-piece suit. I'm gonna have to put some pictures or a little clip here for you lot. Okay, so these are gorgeous yellow 2-piece suit, trousers and jacket. I mean, I love the fact that it has got the belt look there, and it's high-waisted. I'll try it for you guys. And it has got pockets, yeah, and it's long enough. I'm only 5'4", 5'4", so yeah. And the quality, I wouldn't say it's the Zara material, but is, guys, look, is quite good. Not sort of a heavy for winter. You definitely need like a heavy coat if you're gonna wear these in the winter. Wear some warmer, like those legging warmers underneath or something. But is the perfect yellow that I wanted. Absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'm going to put a video here or a clip. So this is the jacket. So it just came separate from the other. It came in this package. It goes there. This is the jacket. It's lined. Alright, let's have a look. Get a hanger here. The color is fantastic, yeah, and the size is not too shabby. It fits me. I'll try it on for you guys, like I said I would. So the cut is alright. It's not the best, but I think it was 20 something pounds, 23 if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the price up for you guys here for everything that I paid, and it had great discount even for shipping coming to the UK. So yeah, I really wanted a yellow suit to wear. Okay, the lapel is not one of the best, but like I said, it's lined. It's lined inside, has lining, and is of course 100% polyester. So this is this. I'm going to put some clips for you guys. And the rest of the items, they never arrived basically, so they haven't arrived. I'll got my money back. Okay, the second item, I don't know if it is gonna work out just fine. It is dress, very trendy, very sexy, on the mannequin or on the model. So let's have a look if it will. Oh my god, this is a bib. Look what I've got. Look this. It's like for my 10-year-old daughter. You know what I mean? Oh my god. My bazookas, are they gonna... Oh my god, I can't. I just can't. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but... No. I mean, as you can see so far, we're not in the good track in here. Okay. We are not in a good track. So the dress is like an open back, has got like a nice funky shape design to it, and I thought that is just so wicked, like for partying. I mean, look like, you know, bad bitch type of outfit. Open back, as you guys can see, proper open there, and the front is like that, and long sleeve. The material is like, again, it's polyester, but it's like that, neat, very fine, neat. Yeah, we're gonna try for you guys. Yeah, so that's what I've got. Also, fun enough, guys, I ordered from AliExpress a fedora hat, and the color that I picked is yellow, so it has arrived, so I'm gonna grab that as well to show you guys. Okay, loves, got here. I have to say, these Chinese manufacturers or sellers, they package the items. I mean, we all should learn with them. Look, I thought that was like pillow. I went to pick this up for my post office. I was like, the man was handing this to me. I was like, what is this? And it's very light. Of course, I knew it was the fedora, but it's just the fact that, you know, the volume of it. Ooh, what's this? And I bought another item, which is like a dupe for a skirt. I think it's a black designer, and unfortunately, of course, Chinese sellers are duping all the brands that are very sort of trendy right now. All the bloggers are wearing, you know, these brands, and they're not going to waste time. They're not going to waste time, you know, by not cashing, you know, they'll cash in those designers as well, you know, they're not lazy like that, so they will cash on anybody. They're probably sick and tired of Gucci's and Louis Vuittons and Celine's, and now the upcoming brands are, they're definitely gonna feel, okay. Yeah, so, gosh, these will take forever. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can see. Oh my god, it's a very different shade of yellow. It's a very different shade. Different shade. This is more like mustard color. Look at that, sitting there very nicely. The fedora, I love already. What about you guys? Comment below. By the way, guys, are you subscribed to my channel? Please do so. I need an extra 20 people to make 1,000 subscribers. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and do all the good things that you know people need on YouTube. Thank you so much in advance. So this is that. I don't want to pop. Oh, I feel so bad. I don't want to pop. I don't want to open. It looks so cute. Oh my god. I feel like a child. I'm immature like that sometimes. Woo. Well, there's not a pop or anything like that. Oh, a lot of air in there. Anything that comes from China, all this air coming on me, like, not trusting it, not trusting it. Okay, so, this is my new hat. I feel like it needs the ribbon there, black. What do you guys think? I probably gonna make it one myself with ribbons because I have got materials that I could use to alter things. Okay, well packaged. Let's try. What size is this? Well, I've got wig on, but I've got small head, but I've got a lot of hair. Ooh, how you doing? Like it? What do you like on me? I like it very much. What are we having tonight? What drink are you having? What's going on? What's popping? Not too cowboyish. I'm liking this. Nice. Yes guys, that's all I have for you in this video, but please come back, subscribe, press that notification button so when I upload new videos you'll be notified by YouTube. Thank you so much. Share my videos, help the channel to grow, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.